Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today, we will be discussing about whether SAP is CMMS software. Let's jump right into it. SAP and CMMS, a complementary relationship. SAP isn't a traditional CMMS, but rather a comprehensive enterprise resource planning (ERP) software suite. Think of it as a powerful business management hub encompassing various functionalities. While SAP doesn't offer dedicated CMMS features, it does include a module specifically designed for plant maintenance, SAP Plant Maintenance, PM. Key differentiators. 1. Breadth of functionality. SAP is renowned for its all-encompassing enterprise resource planning, ERP, capabilities. It seamlessly integrates various business processes, offering a holistic solution that spans finance, human resources, supply chain management, and more. While SAP does include a maintenance module, its primary focus is on the broader spectrum of organizational operations. On the other hand, CMMS software is specifically tailored for streamlined maintenance management. It excels in organizing, scheduling, and tracking maintenance activities, providing a specialized solution for businesses aiming to enhance the efficiency of their maintenance processes. Unlike SAP, CMMS directs its functionalities solely towards the intricate details of maintenance tasks, ensuring a more targeted and efficient approach. 2. Industry-specific considerations. CMMS software often takes industry-specific nuances into account, offering customization and specialized features tailored to sectors like manufacturing, healthcare, or hospitality. This level of specialization allows businesses to address unique challenges within their respective industries efficiently. SAP, as a versatile ERP, is designed to be adaptable across various industries. While it provides a robust framework for a wide array of business operations, including maintenance management, it may not offer the same degree of industry-specific tailoring found in dedicated CMMS solutions. Businesses with specific industry requirements may find CMMS software more aligned with their specialized needs. We hope this information has been useful. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care.